Good day. You're watching CNC Campus Newscasting. I'm Meg Kulan, your anchor. Technology has transformed the way we teach and learn through educational technology or EdTech. While it offers many opportunities for learning, it also calls for responsible use for the guidance of teachers and parents. Today, we'll hear the experiences from a Filipino student and a teacher to better understand the impact of EdTech in education. Let's begin with Ms. Erica Mijares.
Thank you, Ms. Kulankulan. Teacher plays an important role in creating effective learning experiences through the technology of education. Let's hear from one of our educators.
So, good evening, ma'am. So, may we know your name, ma'am?
Ako si Maria Victoria, 42.
So, how does technology of education help you plan and deliver your lessons more effectively?
The new technology, makatabang gid siya by kanang it can save time for planning the lesson. Dayon, especially kung magamit ta og laptop, gamit tag videos, o kanani ang TV, we can have our lesson organized. And makakuha ta og mga videos, easy to give the children the lesson well. Kaya na ang makuan siya, it can easily the students to interact by the use of technology because they can see the videos in the TV, the laptop, and then they can also research from their cell phone.
Thank you for your answer, ma'am. So, for the second question, why is technology of education important in improving the quality of teaching and learning?
Okay. It can access learning for the students, and then they will engage more engaging lessons using the technology. Then they are going to learn anywhere. Then they can get more in online learning. So through that, the students can learn more than the other no new technology.
So, thank you very much, ma'am, for sharing your valuable insights about the technology of education.
You're welcome.
As we have learned today, technology in education equips students with modern tools that enhance learning, while technology of education provides teachers with systematic approaches for planning, delivering, and evaluating instruction. Together, they help create more effective, engaging, and meaningful educational experiences. This is Erica May Terra Mejias reporting.
Thank you, Ms. Kulan. So, technology has become an integral part of student learning today. So, to learn more about its impact, let's hear from one of our students about technology and education. So, good day, ma'am. May we know your name? My name is Adriana. Okay, so, I have a great question here. So, how does technology in education help improve your learning experience, and what benefits have you gained from using technology in your study?
Technology of education, pinaka-importante na ay hindi about na solid yung bahay. Nakakano siya tabang na bahay. Maka-research ka rin of information yan. Pag namin try na mag-grouping activity mo is pwede ka maka-edit like Canva and pwede ko din siya ma-save sa PowerPoint. Dali ko siya sa Thank you for that wonderful explanation. I have the second question. So, what challenges have been encountered while using technology in your education and how do you overcome them? Technology activity. For example, hindi pa ko kapanong sa pamamit of mga computer or any mga cellphone. So, kailangan pinaka-open ng tabang like friend or any relative or teacher na pwede na ko matiula o ang tao niya siya pag kuan ng gamat para mag-improve ang ako.
Okay, thank you, ma'am, for explaining and ideas to us. So, technology in education is very important as it allows us to research information, watching videos, and maka-encounter sa mga new apps. So, that's all. I'm Marcel Paligang-Gao, nag-ulat mula sa CNC News. Back to you, Miss Villantina.
Thank you, reporters. Educational technology has opened new opportunities for Filipino learners, but it depends on how wisely we use it. As we move forward in the digital age, the question remains, how do we leverage technology as Filipinos in the 21st century? By using it responsibly, embracing lifelong learning, and working together as students, teachers, and parents to create a better future. Once again, this is CNC Campus Newscasting. I'm May Kulan, your anchor. Thank you for watching and have a great day.